Yeah, I see it.
Dad, stand here.
Stand well back.
Yeah, because it's on that track. I'm going to close my eyes because I don't want to hit it. Okay, now it's fine. Now, let's see. Now, let's see.
Here it comes.
Now, where's that?
Okay.
I didn't see what happened though. I was watching the train. Dad,
Whoa. Sit up. Sit up on my shoulders.
Dad, I want to go on this train track.
You're not allowed on the train track.
Why?
You can cross over it and that's it.
But not on this train.
No, you shouldn't stand on the train track.
Why?
It's dangerous.
But if there's a grown-up with you,
I'll supervise you and show you, okay?
why?
I'll show you what to do.
Just look. Sometimes I let me Dad, I didn't see what
Hold still for me. Right, hop down.
Dad, can I see what this
No, you can hop across. You can hop across to the other side, okay?
Dad, I'm
Just come this way. Come this way.
Why?